A stunning twist is unfolding right under America's nose, and let me tell you, it's the one that Vladimir Putin is quietly celebrating now. For the first time in years, Russia has replaced the US as Venezuela's top oil trading partner. Yes, in what looks like a major geopolitical checkmate, Moscow is now supplying the fuel that keeps Nicolás Maduro's oil industry alive. You're watching TimesXP, I am Jyoti Athri, and here is what exactly is happening. Venezuela's crude oil, it is sticky and nearly impossible to export without something to dilute it. Now that something is naphtha, a redefined petroleum product that makes the oil usable and sellable. So for decades, Venezuela relied on the US companies like Chevron for this whole procedure, but after the US slapped harsh sanctions and revoked Chevron's license, Maduro turned elsewhere. And that's when Mr. Putin steps in. According to new data, since March, Russia has been shipping over 7 million barrels of naphtha to Venezuela, the first large-scale delivery in nearly 6 years. Basically, let me explain this to you in simple terms. Russia has taken America's place in Venezuela's most critical energy supply chain. And yes, this isn't just about oil that we are talking about, it is about influence. By helping Caracas, Russia is not only earning money but also expanding its political reach deep into Latin America, a region the US once considered its own backyard. You know what? It's the same strategy the Soviet Union once used during the Cold War. Use trade, energy, and alliances to challenge the US dominance from within its hemisphere. Well, for Maduro, this partnership, it is a lifeline. It keeps its oil industry running, its economy breathing, and his government afloat, despite years of the US pressure. In the meantime, for Mr. Putin, it's a power play. He's gaining a loyal ally, new oil routes, and just another way to undermine US sanctions. In the meantime, the US is watching with alarms. The US hoped that economic isolation would push Venezuela to break away from its authoritarian path. Instead, it is driving Caracas straight into Moscow's arms. Well, experts say that this could reshape the power dynamics across Latin America, giving Russia a strategic foothold just miles from American shores. So, who's really winning this war here? Let me help you with that. As the US talks tough on energy dominance, Mr. Putin, he's quietly winning the oil game right in the US's neighborhood. And this whole thing raises a chilling question. Is Latin America turning into the new front line of the Russia-US rivalry? Well, only time will tell.